Okay, that was an epic fail. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Addy, and today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of in-ear headphones made by the company Ant Audio. So I ordered this from Amazon.com and I got a pretty good deal. This earphone costs 1,300 rupees, but Amazon's giving these away for just 600 rupees right now, and considering this sounds really good, it's a really good deal. So these are the pair of earphones that I ordered. Okay. So here's a pair of earphones. There you go. So this earphone comes in this, I don't know what kind of a metal this is, but it comes in a metal case, which not many earphone brands do. This is not the first pair of earphones that I actually saw from Ant Audio. A friend of mine actually ordered this. That's the whole reason why I ordered my own. When I saw the box and the content inside, I thought it was just for show, and the earphones might end up sounding a little crappy, but it actually sounds really good. So let's open this one. Okay, that was an epic fail. Actually, and you get a couple of stickers and you get your warranty card. So this earphone has a warranty of 1 year, and it says that it's in-ear monitoring earphone. So for people who don't, one second. So for people who don't understand the word monitoring when it comes to, say, earphones or headphones, so this term monitoring is generally used in the music or the sound industry, where people like producers use earphones to monitor something, meaning to listen to something that they're working on. So for a company to state that this earphone is like an in-ear monitoring system is quite bold, because I've heard it and I don't think people would recommend this for, like, say, monitoring purpose. It would just be a good active listening kind of earphone. So okay, let's get back to the unboxing. So these are the earphones. One second. So these are the earphones. So I went with the black and red one. They do have 4 colors, and black was completely unavailable from the past a week or two. So I went with the black and red one, which still looks really good. So this thing has a flat wire, which is really good. It helps the earphone not get tangled up all the time. Okay, let's put that to the side. You get another 2 pairs of ear cups, which is the smallest one and the largest one. The medium ones are on the earphone at the moment. And you get a clip, and last you get this carrying case. Okay, so this is the Ant Audio W56. These are currently the best seller on Amazon for the price range. So again, I picked this up for 600 rupees, but the actual price is 1300. The reason why I went with this pair of earphones is because first, it was affordable for 600 rupees, 599 to be exact, and the packaging and the overall unboxing experience, which is really nice, as you just saw. I don't know if I did justice to it, but yeah. And when you're getting a pair of earphones, the main thing, your main priority should be the sound quality, and this earphone gives you an amazing sound quality, and this actually does everything perfectly. Your highs, mids and lows are at perfect levels at all time. On the box it says right here that there's noise isolation, which is true. Okay, and this pair of earphones has an inline mic. It's really lightweight. Oh yes. And the build quality, this thing is made of metal. This thing is metal. I don't know what metal exactly, but it's everything you would ever expect, over expect even. I really do recommend these. They're really nice. And Ant Audio, if you're interested to sponsor anything in the future, I'd be open to that. Okay, so like I said, I've never heard of this company before, and it's a good reason why. This company is actually based in the United Kingdom, and this was manufactured in London but imported to New Delhi. So it's a UK based company that specializes in in-ear and on-ear monitoring headphones and earphones. They did a really good job with the build and the sound quality of this earphone. I'm gonna blindly recommend this to anybody who's looking for a new pair of earphones but doesn't have a lot of budget. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like, and if you're new here and you again enjoyed this content, consider subscribing. And